Hey, what's up you guys? It's Alexis, and today I'm going to be doing a little Boxycharm review for this month, I guess. Yeah, this month. So I got the Boxycharm box right here. That's what it looks like. And it's a bigger box this month, and I'm kind of excited to see what's inside of it. And yeah, we're just going to do a quick little review. I'll show you all the products. I'll link all the products in the description below for you guys. And the website for Boxycharm. Also, this video is not sponsored, so you guys know I bought this box with my own money. But let's get into it. Alright, so this is what the Boxycharm box looks like. It's very big. Last month it was a little bit smaller, but they might have just added a little bit more. So let's open this up. When you open it up, it looks like this on the inside. It has like the foam to protect like the products inside. And yeah, so let's take this foam out. And I also like that they put foam in there so like the products don't break and stuff, which is really annoying when they do. But let's start. Alright, so the first product in this box is the MURAD Hydration Ultimate Moisturizer for Eyes. And it looks like this. I haven't heard of this before, so I'm going to be a little interested. I don't know if I'm going to use this. I'm probably going to give it to my mom, but we'll see how it is, because I don't know. So it looks like this, and it comes in this little jar, and it's, how many ounces? 0.5 fluid ounces. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Just like a plastic jar, maybe glass, I don't know, I can't tell. So let's open it up. Yeah, has a little cover to protect the product inside, and I think you can also keep the cover. So let's test out some of it on my hand, see how I like it. It smells just like a clean smell. It doesn't really have any like weird like fragrance to it, which I like. Oh my god, I almost lost all of it. That would have been really bad. Thank god I put the lid on it. So let's just kind of rub it in my hand. It's like a soft, it just smells like a clean product pretty much. There's nothing like too crazy to it, but I bet it's good for like keeping your eyes hydrated, because you're not supposed to use like certain lotions for underneath your eyes. But I feel like it'll be a good product for some people. So let's get on to the next product. Alright, the next product in this box is the product by BECCA. It's a glow gloss. Looks like this from BECCA, and it's in the color Foxglove. Yeah, Foxglove. Let's open it up, and it looks like this. It's a very pretty color. It has like, it's like a pinky, but it's like has like a shimmer tint to it, which I also really like. It's a interesting smell. I've never had like a lip gloss or like smell like that. Ooh, it's like very dark. Give you like a little swatch of it. I don't really like lip glosses like this that often, but I think it's also a really cute color that you can kind of play with. You can make, like, if you layer more of it on, it will definitely become like this dark opaque like pinky purple color. But if you just want like a light shade of it, just kind of do like one swatch over your lips and you'll get like a lighter tint. But let's get on to the next product. So right here we have the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. It looks like this. And this is, I think this is like kind of similar to what the Clinique like milk cleansing balm is like, pretty much. Pretty similar. It's pretty similar to what that is, but it comes with like a little scoop, so you can just kind of put it on your face, keep it clean, and it has a little lid to protect the product inside. Let's try and open it up if I can. No. Alright. So it smells just like cherries. It's like this pink, like an opaque pink balm. Kind of want to touch it. Oh, it's like a firm balm. So like when you put it on your face, it'll like melt off your makeup. So that's pretty cool. I'm not going to test it out right now because I have makeup on and I have other videos to film, so I kind of want to keep it on. But I will probably be using this product in another video at some point, showing you like a everyday routine or like a night routine for you guys. So that will be in a previous video, or a up and coming video. I mean, I don't know how to speak. Alright, so this next product is the SPONGELLE French Lavender Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer. Yeah, so let's open this up. It cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. It says place sponge underwater, squeeze to absorb, massage in a circular motion to cleanse skin, squeeze out excess water after each use. Yeah, so cool. I have not seen one of these before, but it is like a cleansing sponge, but there's like I guess there's like stuff inside of it that like will clean. It's like soap inside, I guess. I don't know. It smells really good. It smells like lavender, which is the smell, but it smells really good. It looks like a little flower. I've never seen one of these before, but I'm excited to give it a try at some point and see how I like this. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I think this is the last product inside, which I'm excited because I already took a little peek at this one. But this is the Boxycharm palette, and it's one of their palettes. It's a shimmer pressed eyeshadow palette, and there's mattes and glitter eyeshadows inside. So let's see what's inside. It says Hello Charmers all over it. Isn't that cute? It's a big palette, honestly. So when you open it up, it has a little film to protect it, and then inside it has like a little mirror, and here are all of the shades inside, and they're very, very, very pretty. And I'll do some swatches for you guys of each one of these, and yeah, let's do that real quick. So give me 1 second, I'll come right back. Alright, so we're gonna get into this palette and see what the colors are. So the first color in this cute little palette is called Boxy, and it's like a white, kind of. Yeah, it's like a white. Next one is called Charmer, and it's like the shimmery blue color. Next color is called Full Size, and it's like a purpley. It like picks up more purple at some angles, and then other angles it's more like blue. I don't know if I can see, if you can see that like shift. And then the next color is called Exclusive, and it's like a bronzy shimmer color. Next color is called Spoiler, and it's a matte right here. Next one is called Luxe, right there at the corner. This bottom one is like a cocoa brown. It's called Cup of Joe. Alright, so this next color is like a champagne color. It's called Pop Up. It's right there. This next one is called Swipe Up, and it's this like shimmery, like orangey pink color. Yeah. Next color is called Premium. This one is called Sneak Peek, and this last one is called Unboxing. And now I'm going to swatch all of these colors for you guys. Alright, here is the first top row of the palette. So the first one is Boxy, and it's the white color. The second one is called Charmer. The third one is called Full Size. The next one is called Exclusive. It's this bronze color. The next one is a matte, and it's called Spoiler. It's like an orangey. And then the last one is called Luxe, and it's this very pretty gold. And here are all the shades. I really think the shimmers do really well. I think they're like great ones. I feel like the mattes are doing like pretty decent. I feel like they could do a little bit better, but they're not bad, honestly. And I think they're good. It's not a bad palette, honestly. So let me do the next row and we will close out this video. Alright, so this is the next row right here. And the first color at the bottom is called Unboxing. It's like a light pinky red. So there's that. Next one is called Sneak Peek, and it's this like bronzy gold color right here. Next one is called Premium. It's like a light matte color. Next one is called Swipe Up, and it's this pink one. It's more like a chunky glitter, so you're gonna want to kind of like pat it in your eye a little bit, but it's still really pretty for like a swatch. Next color is called Pop Up, and it's like this champagne color. It does really well. And the last one is called Cup of Joe, and it's like this cocoa brown. And here is the last swatches for this palette. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. I would link all of the products in the link in description below, and all my social media links also. But I hope you guys have a wonderful day, night, and evening. And yeah, bye!